So guys, most of the people in SketchUp, they use follow me tool to create a profile just like that. Okay. And for that you need a guideline just like that. Okay. But don't worry, there is a one quick solution for that. You have to use 1001 bit tool just like that. And then you have to draw a profile like that. Okay. Just like that. And then you have to click over this vertical wall option and then you have to set the profile. Okay, so you have to click over set profile option and then click over the face. That's it. Then you can draw a profile just like that very easily. Just you have to click, okay, and double click for final result. That's it. You can see the result is perfect at every corner. Okay, so I hope this tutorial gonna help you. If you like my videos, please share, subscribe and follow me. Thank you.